today we want to have fun with a couple of fingerings for the left hand and a nice picking pattern for the right hand. So we're going to combine two exercises in one, and hopefully we want to have some fun. So first of all, let's look at the left hand fingerings. We're playing a simple chord progression, and it's a A that goes to E, and then G and D. Those four chords: A, E, G, V. Now we want to play some alternate fingerings for those four chords. For the A chord, we're going to use this fingering. So I'm here at the 5th fret. You know, it's just like an F chord. Just 3 fingers, no bar. And I move that F up 2 frets, that will be a G. And if I move up 2 more frets, now that's an A chord. And I can play the 5th string open, I can play the 1st string open. So that's my replacement for the A chord. For the E chord, we want to use another fingering that goes like this. Now I'm holding my middle finger, 2nd string, 5th fret, and the index finger, 3rd string, 4th fret, and ring finger is on the 4th string and 6th fret. And again, I have the open A string and I have the top high string open. So first of all, we need to practice the transition from A to E. And as you can see, I'm not lifting my ring finger. So that's my lead finger, my guide finger in the transition. You see that? Okay, and now we're done. Almost done. Now we need the G chord, and for the G chord, I slide the ring finger down 1 fret, and I play the same fingering I used for the A chord. So now I am at the 3rd fret. And for the D chord, our last chord, well, I slide down my ring finger 1 more fret, and I use the same fingering I used for the E chord. And now that nice A string and high top E string, those 2 notes, those 2 strings are like glue. They are gluing all those 4 fingerings together. So quick recap, I start at the 5th fret and I move down 1 fret at a time. Again, this is my guide finger, 1 fret at a time, and I play the 4 chords. Okay? Now I'm ready to play some kind of rhythm, and I was doing a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so slowly it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And same over the A chord, the E chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when I say 1, I want to play a stronger strong. Look. All downstrokes, very simple. But I need to stress the 1 when I say 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. And at the end of the D chord, we have a little run, just 4 notes. And I'm holding a D chord right, and now I only need the D note here, 3rd fret, 2nd string. That's my first note, that's a downstroke. And then I use my index finger to play the C sharp, upstroke, down, up, then I play open B, and then I quickly jump with my middle finger at the 6th fret of the third string, and that is gonna be enough. So that's the little run, and from there I go back to the A chord like this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then let's do a little exercise for the right hand too. The right hand so far has been just strumming a very easy pattern, so I came up with this little combination. It goes like this. It goes like okay, so what I'm doing here, I'm playing down, up, down, up, down, up, up. That's the pick direction. And I'm playing 4th string, 3rd string, 2nd string, and then so I play 3 adjacent strings. Then now careful, I play the 3rd up, the 2nd down, and the 1st up, and then I play one more up on the 2nd string. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then just one upstroke on the 2nd string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2 strings. Second 1, 2, 3 is 3, 2, 1, string 3, 2, 1, and then again an upstroke on the 2nd string. Listen to the timing. So that very last upstroke on the 2nd string is delayed. It's on the offbeat, okay? And when I apply that picking pattern to all four fingerings, like this. Over the D chord, you see, I only play the pattern and the picking pattern once instead of twice. Then I play the low A string, run, and back to the pattern. And I play the same pattern twice for each chord. So that's a nice picking exercise right there, and work on your dynamic. I like to increase my volume as I go down the neck, so I start softly. So that's something to keep in mind. And louder, louder, and back. Okay, so that's something else you can work on, and of course the picking pattern here needs to be clean and smooth, and that's tough. That's why we're doing this, but hopefully we're practicing this, having fun. Yeah, so that's the video for today, and maybe I should mention that I do have an instructional channel. It's called Flatpicking Experience. And you're welcome to join my channel if you want to have more lessons on acoustic guitar and flat picking. And so you will find the link in the description as usual. And let me know how you like this exercise in the comments. And if you enjoy the lesson, subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so I will see you in the next video, and ciao ciao.